A computerized grill is convenient, but nothing can replace the satisfaction of taming a fire in a steel box to smoke the meat of your most tantalizing dreams. In this video, we're cooking brisket, pork butt, chicken, sausage, and beans on the Meadow Creek SQ36 offset smoker. This best-selling smoker is an excellent choice for any barbecue enthusiast who appreciates handmade quality and dreams of becoming a real pitmaster. The secret to cooking with an offset smoker is the balance of several basic components: a clean burning fire and consistent temperature, plus some meat and spices. Once the smoker is fired and loaded, we maintain a temperature between 225 and 250 degrees by feeding and stoking the fire every 45 to 60 minutes until the meat is cooked to perfection. We use a mix of 100% hardwood charcoal briquettes and seasoned wood to produce a robust barbecue flavor. In this cook, the sausage, chicken, and beans were done in 3 hours, in time for lunch. The pork butt and brisket took all day and finished in 14 hours. What an amazing experience, biting into a tender and juicy piece of meat that's bursting with flavor from hanging out in a wood-fired smoker all day. You can serve these meats with the beans and your favorite sides, such as mac and cheese, a slaw, or potato salad. Or vacuum seal and freeze the meats in meal-sized portions for a bunch of quick sandwiches or tacos. Are you looking for a durable offset smoker to use in your backyard? The Meadow Creek SQ36 is built to last for many years of enjoyment. Using the second-tier grate, this smoker holds up to 4 whole briskets, 10 pork butts, or a dozen racks of baby back ribs. Learn more about this fine smoker at meadowcreekbarbecue.com.